Hi and welcome. Thanks for joining me again. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Diplomat. So this particular one is from Craddock's The Savoy cocktail book. It's quite light on alcohol. It's a bit of an aperitivo, something you want to sip to whet your appetite. Start with 60 ml of sweet vermouth. So this is actually an Australian sweet vermouth. I've used it quite a few times. It's got some native botanicals, wattle seed and lemon myrtle. Should have double checked before I started making the drink, but I'm pretty sure that's right. So it's quite a unique sweet vermouth. And then followed by a dry vermouth, Medina, the same brand that I used. A single ounce, 30 ml of dry, and a touch of Maraschino Liqueur. So 1 bar spoon, which is the same as 5 ml. And the fourth ingredient, orange bitters. Nice fresh bottle that I bought this morning. So fill the mixing glass with ice and stir for 20-30 seconds. So the Medina does have a unique flavour, as I was saying. The one thing I don't particularly like is it does skew the look of a lot of cocktails. For instance, like the Negroni. It's got that, and Negroni has that classic like bright red from the Campari. And once you do add the Medina, which is more of a crimson kind of Shiraz colour, it just changes the colour to what you're expecting. But the drink still tastes great. And then this one's served in an old-fashioned over ice. So strain over fresh ice. So this particular glass here is called a Winchester. It's from the company called Libby. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can find it on Amazon. Otherwise, if you're in Australia, you can buy it from me. So strain it over fresh ice. Now, if I was at home and I was making this for myself, I didn't have a mixing glass handy, I just put all the ingredients straight over the ice and then stir it down and make sure I had lots of ice in that glass, otherwise a really big crystal cube. And then to finish it off, don't forget the twist of orange. So a nice big twist. Express those oils over the top and add that citrus straight in. So there you have a Diplomat. Cheers. A lot of citrus on the nose. A lot of botanicals from the vermouth. It's quite sweet, very light. It's delicious. I probably would stir it a little bit less, just so it wasn't so diluted. Both the vermouths aren't very strong in alcohol content, so it could probably do a little bit of more of a kick. Dangerously easy to drink, so I better slow down. I've got more videos to film. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.